Hi, good afternoon. I'm here to give you guys a quick tutorial on the Bolide Quick Connect mobile app. I'm going to show you guys how to download the app, add a device, and do the basic functions such as live viewing and playback. I think you'll find that this app is very easy to use. We have the same app for all of our current DVR and NVR models. So let's get on with it. I'm going to switch over to the stream from my phone. We're going to do a screen share. Okay, here we go. So first, we have to get the app. So let's go to the App Store. This app is available for Android also. So in that case, you'll go to Play Store. But you're going to go ahead and search Bolide Quick Connect. And you'll see the app right here. So that's the one that you want to download. If you don't have it on your phone yet, it's going to say install on this blue button. Since I already have it, it says open. So this takes me to the app. If you don't know where it is on your phone, you're going to see an icon that looks like this. So that's Bolide Quick Connect. So let's go open the app. I already have a device added to this one, our office demo, but let's go ahead and add another device. You can have as many NVRs and DVRs as you want on this app. To do so, let's add a device. Let's go to the main menu, upper left corner. See that button right there? Press that. And then you see a remote setting, local config, file list, and device list. So go to device list and hit the plus symbol on the upper right corner. Let's add NVR. And this enables your camera. So on the NVRs, you'll see on the lid, there's a sticker with the QR code. So in this case, I have a magnified version of it. So I'm going to scan that QR code. It's super simple. Connect to the internet, scan the QR code, and it will take you right to the screen. As soon as you scan it, enter the password. In this case, it's admin1234. Save. And it's connected. When you see connected, you are good. You're just going to go to your main screen. And that second device that I added, it's called Home. So there are my 4 cameras. If I want to tap one of them for full screen, I can do so. If I flip my phone, I can do a widescreen shot. I can switch between device 1 and device 2. You can do a digital zoom by pinching into the image. Playback. You see this button in the middle next to home camera. It looks like a play button. Press that, and that takes you to playback. So to playback videos, you see your cameras right here. The activities below is color coded. So in this case, I have this DVR for motion recording. So any yellow activity are recorded videos. Green means constant recording. So in this case, let's say this camera, I want to play back. So you see on the bottom, there's a timeline, and I'm scrolling to the timeline. Blue are analytics events. So in this case, it's a human detection event. You can also filter out events that you want to watch, you want to see, but it's super simple. Bolide Quick Connect, probably the best app out there for surveillance system.